Hi, folks. I just wanted to share some tips I've learned recently about quickly editing in your map. I'm sitting here looking at some imagery for Espiritu Santo Bay, wanting to update my tracks a bit um, to signify areas. I'm using 2011 as my benchmark for kind of imagery that was taken at a lower tide condition. And um, for me, the red lines mean that the water is going to be less than a foot deep. And looking at this, there's areas here that there's some uncertainty, and I want to signify that by these kind of jagged lines coming out. Clearly, this area, which in the 2011 imagery is up actually out of the water at normal tide levels. That's going to be less than a foot deep. But these coming out here, there's just a matter of inches difference between this back here and this right here. I would guess maybe 4 or 5 inches different. So area of uncertainty, I like to symbolize those for myself with these red jaggedy lines coming out. So I've discovered that you can quickly right click on a track and click properties and you'll be right into it. You don't have to hunt and peck with the um, files shown in your folder there in Google Earth. And remember, as soon as you hover over a point, it makes it active. You can move it out. You can add points into the track. You just need to figure out which way it's going. Um, you want to make sure you scroll in and out as you're moving around, but don't click anywhere on the screen because then you're going to create points on your track. Um, as per usual, just hit the delete key a bunch of times to get rid of those. Um, Once you've changed the track, now I want to switch to the 2009 imagery and make some slight adjustments to my yellow track. So I just right click on it, go to properties, and I can find the points, bring that out a little bit to the edge of the grass line, and there you go.